Now let's understand how inventory source targeting at campaign level impact below levels. That means whatever you select at inventory source, the targeting part, how it going to impact the below levels. So it is mentioned new insertion orders or line items, new IOs and line items in this campaign. So when you create new IOs and line items under this campaign, will inherit these settings. So they did not mention any existing one, only new ones will be affected. So what exactly it mean? We shall look into that. Let's assume at campaign level, we have targeted 12 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges. I repeat, at campaign level. So whatever you see in this slide is inventory source targeting section while you creating a campaign. Let's assume you added 12 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges. When you select it, it shows 12 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges are selected. IO level. So after creation of the campaign, you create a new insertion order. So while you create new insertion order, it will inherit from the campaign level. So targeting inherited from the campaign 1, IO level has 12 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges. Campaign level there are 12 and 4. The same is inherited by the insertion order. So insertion order targeting settings of inventory source, it shows 12 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges. You can see here. Even line item also follows the same. Targeting inherited from the campaign and IO level. Line item level has 8 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges. For example, here for display line item, let's take, there are multiple line item types. Let's take display line item. Instead of having 12 exchanges, you can see 8 exchanges and 4 sub exchanges. This is because since the display line item purchase only display type inventory, so what happens is 4 other exchanges are only specific to the video. That is the reason 4 exchanges got unselected and only 8 exchanges are showing here. For example, like AppNexus, Google Ad Manager, GumGum, Improve Digital, Index Exchange, Magnite, OpenX, PubMatic. So these are the exchanges which provides display inventory. Why there is only 8 exchanges at LA level, even though IO has more than 8. So you can see at campaign level 12 and 4, at insertion order level 12 and 4, but you can see 8 and 4 sub exchanges, because if you observe at IO level, the exchanges that are selected are AdSwiss, OpenX, Freewheel, Google Ad Manager and others. Whatever I highlighted here, those are non-display. For example, AdSwiss, Freewheel, Magnet, CTV, SpotX. So these exchanges are providing non-display inventory. Look at the display line item. The 8 exchanges which are selected are AppNexus, Google Ad Manager and others, apart from the 4 I highlighted. So these 4 are from non-display and remaining are 8 providing the display inventory. That's the reason when it inherited, only it has taken exchanges which gives a display inventory.